everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, we're doing a White Fox haul. Oh, thank God I get to put that down now. I'm so excited. I've loved White Fox for the longest time and I feel like everyone is really coming onto the bandwagon now that White Fox is actually in the UK. Well, they've got a site in the UK. That's not making sense either. A site? Oh, UK site, okay? That's what I mean. It makes me so happy because it's so much easier for us UK girlies to get White Fox now. I do have a discount code with White Fox. It's either Chyna, which is CHYNA, or Chyna TikTok. It's actually going to be a White Fox tracksuit haul. I do have more stuff in this parcel, which I am going to film tomorrow for you, probably in a couple weeks time, because I don't want to place them too close together. Let's just get straight into it. I absolutely love a White Fox hoodie so much. They are super comfy. The fit is literally perfect. They're the type of hoodies that actually like sit really nicely. They always have like the funnest prints as well. So on the back of this, hopefully you can see, they do this type of tracksuit in so many different variations, different colours, cuff leg, wide leg, zip up, non-zip up, oh, and shorts. There's truly something for everyone. It may not be tracksuit season just yet, but you want to be prepared. I wear tracksuits all year round, and I also was lacking a matching grey tracksuit. I didn't have one, but I'm glad I do now. This is actually wide leg, which I think is actually new from White Fox. I'd never seen them do that before. I'm pretty sure most of their stuff is cut. It is a bit long for me because I am 5 foot, but once I put a pair of Uggs on and kind of bunch it over, or some chunky trainers, it'll be absolutely fine. I get both pieces in an extra small. I always get the smallest size, or extra small, in White Fox and any site really. The hoodie, I would happily have this size. It's perfect. Right amount of bag on the arms, oversizedness, mirror there by the way if you're new to the channel. I'm looking to the side. The joggers are also a perfect fit. I probably would have sized up once. Yeah, I will say once, just so I can have it a bit more loose here, because if I eat, the food baby is real. Also, this has a little pocket on the bum, and I just thought that was very like 2000s. Super cute. This is the colourway with the charcoal bubble writing, and White Fox is so known for their bubble writing as well. This is printed on beautifully, washes beautifully. It's amazing. Let's move on because I feel like I've spoken about the tracksuit for so long. Let's go on to a short tracksuit now. Okay, this might be a little bit dusty and fluffy because I did chuck it on the floor a minute ago when I was getting it out of the bag. I've actually had this tracksuit and the other tracksuit for quite a while, but I wanted to include it in this haul because it's still new, haven't worn it, still got my tags on, but I was waiting to get loads of tracksuits to show you. Anyways, don't need to explain myself. I love navy at the moment, and how nice is this? A short tracksuit. Love a short tracksuit. Perfect for the summer, perfect for the airport, so when you arrive you can put this on your shoulders, have your legs out, but you're still comfy on the plane. And I feel like everyone's loving a bit of navy at the moment, and I am. This has not the bubble writing, but it's still like embroidered, stitched on, which is really nice. Again, I don't know what it says. It probably just says White Fox, I'll be honest. It says White Fox on the front here as well. These are the shorts. I haven't had their shorts before. This is the first time. I love the fit of this. If I was being picky and I wanted it more oversized, I would size up maybe, but the jumper, no, it's oversized, it's perfect. Loving life. This is like an airport fit, would just be absolutely perfect. The waistband is thick and it's got drawstrings. This also has a pocket on the bum as well, which is super cute. Let's get into this parcel because I'm excited. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna open it together. Can't remember what I got either. What did I actually get? I know obviously there's tracksuits in here. What am I doing? Obviously there's tracksuits because it's a tracksuit haul, but I know I've got some other bits in there, but I don't know what colour tracksuits I've got. I'm cutting this awfully. Oh my goodness, this is adorable, and this is so comfy. This box is really getting on my nerves. It's pink on pink. Guys, if you could feel this little bubble thing, it is honestly, if I come closer you may or may not be able to see it because the lighting goes. It is such good quality. Like, it's not just printed, it's like 3D. It's so nice. I love the contrast of colours as well. Pocket on the bum as well. Oh, it's here and here, and then this is the back. Excuse me and my label. I don't have many sweatshirts in my collection. I'm not really a sweatshirt wearer, but I loved this so much. Again, smaller size in both. I feel like earlier I was being a bit picky saying I would size up. Would I? No, because I like this fit and I feel like if I sized up it may be too big, so maybe I'll keep my size. I don't know. We'll see next time I order one. I might change my mind. This is also cuffed as well. I'm trying to really point out as many details as I can because I hate when you're looking to buy a tracksuit online and you want to know these things but you can't quite see online. So thick waistband on here, pockets, there is a drawstring right here. I would style this with, where are they? This colour would look so cute with some like socks like these. You can even do hair down with a pink headband as well. And also, you don't have to wear tracksuits together. I feel like we all know this. You kind of forget you can wear it separately, because I do. I always forget. I think, yeah, wear that together. But you can wear this with just like a pair of leggings, or if you have pink leggings, you could do that. You could wear these with just like a white vest top or a pink one. There's so many ways. Oh my god, pink trainers, pink trainers. Just remembered, pink trainers. Stop it. On to the next. Let's do a grey one, and then we'll go on to the navy ones that I've apparently bought more navy of. I actually, you know, the other day I thought I didn't have any navy tracksuits. I actually have 2 navy hoodies, joggers, and now I have these. I just wanted to show you this one before I put it on. So this is the back of this hoodie. It's got light blue, and again, it's got that bubble writing, which White Fox is just known for, but it says quite a lot on this. I just thought that was really nice. This is actually a zip up because I want more zip up tracksuits. White Fox actually have quite a few, but they didn't have some of my sizes in stock. I love a zip up tracksuit. I feel like they're so underrated, and why does no one really make them? Because they're so good for, as I said, like going on the plane or even in the summer, like, because if it's a bit cold when you leave the house but then it heats up, you can just unzip it or zip it partly. One top tip about wearing a tracksuit, you know that trend where it's like wearing versus wearing? This is an example. You see, wearing a hoodie like that, not for me. But the way I make it look cozier and comfier, if you just tuck it under like that, it looks so much better. Same with your hood, like just adjust it so it kind of folds like that. Oh my goodness, amazing. So amazing. I don't need any more tracksuits after this. Although, White Fox actually have a red one. I think a red zip up, maybe? I think it's called like sorbet or something. I need it. I need it right now. White Fox, please restock it. They probably won't restock it yet because, you know, it's summer. But in the winter or the autumn, I'm waiting. I'll be checking because I need that. These are just perfect. If you go to college or uni, you want a little chuck on, but you still look put together. If you put your hair in a slick bun, put some Uggs on, you look put together and you're not going to get too hot. We must whack it. I forgot to mention, the inside of White Fox tracksuits are so fluffy, which is so nice because sometimes you get that like rough, like that towel material on tracksuits, whereas most White Fox tracksuits, which I've tried personally, have the kind of fluffy stuff in there, which I think is so nice because it just adds to that coziness. And it's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's literally perfect. And I love the contrast of the blue and the grey as well. I think that looks really nice. I think I may have bought the shorts and the joggers because I forgot that I had that navy tracksuit at the start. I forgot because it was just in a box chilling. So maybe that's what happened. I'm not sure. Thought I'd just try on the joggers separately so we can just focus on these for a minute. These are so nice. I love a White Fox cuffed jogger. They fit perfectly. I get an extra small in this or an extra small, whatever the smallest is. They fit perfectly. They're oversized but not too big. They are just amazing and they're so soft. The waistband is super thick. It's got drawstrings, it's got pockets, and on this one, I think this is like a baby blue writing. Again, that bubble writing. The fly is back. The fly? Can you leave? How did you get in here? Yeah, as I said, these are cuffed, but White Fox have recently introduced wide legs. So whatever is your preferred, they've got it. Sometimes I prefer a zip up. It just depends. Depends on the weather. Depends on the mood. Depends how I bloody feel. Yeah, love this already. I haven't even done it up yet. Wouldn't size up in this again. Stick to your size. I love it. I literally love it. I feel so comfy and cozy. I love the text on the front. Again, White Fox season 7. Season 7. Whatever that means. This is my favourite by far. After this video, I'm going to put it on because I'm actually going to film a TikTok with all of these because I need TikTok to see these. I'm a happy girl. I am a happy girl. This is the best thing ever. You get the best of both worlds. Quite literally. I've wanted a zip up tracksuit for so long that it's short, it's a zip up, it's comfy, it's good quality, because I've ordered so many at the moment trying to find some. This tops it all because it's perfect. I'm going to film a TikTok in these because I need to right now. Should I start off in this? No, I'm going to start off in the joggers because that will catch people's attention because it's like a tracksuit. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to use my White Fox discount. It's Chyna or Chyna TikTok, whatever. Let me know if you want more White Fox hauls. Let me know if there's a particular tracksuit you want me to try or product. If there's an item you want me to try out, absolutely tell me. I will get it before you, so you know whether it's good or whether to size up or whatever, or even some styling tips. Whatever you want. But yeah, thank you so much, White Fox, for working with me. I love you so much. Love ya, bye.